Shino Kids! CVC sentences with short U sound. The nun runs. The nun runs. Now your turn. The nun runs. She cuts the bud. She cuts the bud. Now your turn. She cuts the bud. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Now your turn. The sun is hot. The bus is red. The bus is red. Now your turn. The bus is red. The bun is yum. The bun is yum. Now your turn. The bun is yum. He runs to the hut. He runs to the hut. Now your turn. He runs to the hut. It is fun in the sun. It is fun in the sun. Now your turn. It is fun in the sun. I had a fun run. I had a fun run. Now your turn. I had a fun run. He is in a tux. He is in a tux. Now your turn. He is in a tux. Gum is on the rug. Gum is on the rug. Now your turn. Gum is on the rug. Good job, kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can practice reading all the sentences in one go by pausing this video. Amazing kids! You have successfully read the sentences with short U sound. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.